is magical. Air, water, fire and earth are the four elements that are the essence of life. They are all uniquely expressed in Colombia.
Ancestral origins. My name is Kachi, which means daughter of water. My parents brought me to this place when I was little. The perfect place to gaze at the stars is the desert. For hundreds of years, the native peoples learned to follow the stars. We still look at them so we don't forget where we come from. They are our GPS, leading the way to keep alive our ancestral wisdom. My grandparents taught me to look at the sky, but also to look at the earth, at the water, to know who I am.
Migrants to the sound of music, tradition, and ancestral heritage.
The greater Colombian trade.
That was really good.
Did you say salsa? I love that salsa. Good! Good job, everyone. That was great. Arms out like this, and we are going to push up and down in circles. Put our whole body into it. Okay? You got it? Now faster. Okay, good job, everyone. That was great. Okay, let's catch our breath. The greater Colombians.
Indigenous civilizations, all with a rich cultural heritage.
The Barranquilla Carnival is a colorful celebration in which we get to express all the folklore and diversity of rhythms that make up the greater Colombian region. Just like a carnival.
A space probe lost a connection with the Earth. When everyone has forgotten about it, only this boy named Owen was persistently searching for its tracks. He wrote all his speculations in a drifting bottle and hoped that it will eventually reach the hands of like-minded people. To locate this boy named Owen. But whether through letters or the internet, our attempts have failed. when I became an astronaut was to come to the Eye of Humanity, Tianyan, to participate in a new round of deep space observations.
Please see them with step 3. Hey, yeah?
But I think we found it.
Oh, really? I can't believe we found it. Do you remember the last time we saw it?
How fortunate that we never give up.
It's been so many years.
Don't forget, we have an old friend. Professor Owen?
Unbelievable. I can't believe it. I thought we were at the same age.
Or your loved ones.
Tomorrow, I finally go to space. We've been waiting for this for such a long time.
Like a drifting bottle.
I wish you all the best. Have a very nice, safe trip.
The same dream inspired us to travel through space and time, and the shared destiny drives us toward the distant horizons. All simple things, therefore, are bound to be great by a common goal.